Welcome back to our channel Vital Up. In today's video, we're sharing grocery shopping hacks for healthy eating on a budget. Eating well doesn't have to be expensive. With these tips, you can make smart choices at the grocery store and enjoy nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Stick around to the end for our favorite cheap, healthy meal recipe that you can easily incorporate into your meal plan. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Plan your meals and make a shopping list. One of the best ways to save money and eat healthy is to plan your meals ahead of time. Create a weekly meal plan and make a shopping list based on the ingredients you need. This helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you have everything you need for a nutritious meal. Additionally, planning your meals allows you to be more creative with your ingredients. You can use the same ingredient in multiple dishes, reducing waste and maximizing your budget. For instance, if you buy a bunch of spinach, you can use it in salads, smoothies, and as a side dish. Being strategic about your meal planning can help you make the most out of what you buy. Hack number 2. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you a lot of money, especially for staple items like grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. These items have a long shelf life and can be used in a variety of dishes. Look for bulk bins at your grocery store and stock up on these essentials. Bulk buying also reduces packaging waste, which is better for the environment. When you buy in bulk, you can portion out your ingredients at home, which helps in meal prep and planning. Consider investing in airtight containers to store your bulk items and keep them fresh for longer. Additionally, buying in bulk often means you will have a ready supply of healthy ingredients on hand, making it easier to whip up nutritious meals without frequent trips to the store. Hack number 3. Shop seasonal and local. Seasonal and local produce is often cheaper and fresher than out-of-season or imported options. Visit your local farmer's market or check out the seasonal section of your grocery store. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy fruits and vegetables at their peak flavor. Shopping seasonal and local also supports local farmers and reduces the carbon footprint associated with transporting food over long distances. Seasonal produce is often more nutrient dense because it's harvested in its peak ripeness. For example, in the summer you might find great deals on tomatoes, zucchini, and berries, while in the fall you'll find squash, apples, and root vegetables at lower prices. Get creative with your meals by focusing on what's in season, and you'll discover new and delicious ways to eat healthy. Hack number 4. Use coupons and loyalty programs. Take advantage of coupons, discounts, and loyalty programs offered by your grocery store. Many stores have apps or websites where you can find digital coupons and track your savings. Using these tools can significantly reduce your grocery bill, and sign up for newsletters from your favorite stores to receive special deals and promotions directly. Loyalty programs often offer points for every purchase, which can be redeemed for discount or free items. Make it a habit to check for coupons before you shop and combine them for in-store sales for maximum savings. Some apps also provide cash back on certain products, adding to your overall savings. Planning your shopping trips around these deals can help you stick to your budget without sacrificing the quality of your food. Hack number 5. Buy store brands. Store brands or generic products are often just as good as the name brands but at a lower cost. Compare the ingredients and nutritional information to ensure you're getting a similar product. Opting for store brands can help save you money on everyday items. Store brands are typically made from the same manufacturers as the name brands, but without the marketing and packaging costs. This savings is passed on to the consumer. In many cases, the quality is identical, so you're not sacrificing taste or nutrition. Store brands are available for a wide range of products, including pantry staples, dairy, and frozen foods. By choosing store brands, you can significantly cut down your grocery bill and allocate those savings to other areas of your budget. Hack 6. Avoid prepackaged and convenience foods. Prepackaged and convenience foods like pre-cut fruits and vegetables or ready-made meals are usually more expensive than whole foods. Spend a little extra time preparing your meals at home to save money and eat healthier. Prepackaged foods often come with added preservatives like sodium and sugars, which aren't as healthy for you. By buying whole foods and preparing them yourself, you have full control over what goes into your meals. This not only saves money, but also enhances your cooking skills and allows you to tailor meals to your taste preferences. Preparing meals in advance and storing them in portion-sized containers can make it easier to avoid the temptations of convenience food. It might take a little more time, but the health benefits and cost savings are well worth it. Hack number 7. Buy frozen fruits and vegetables. Frozen fruits and vegetables are a great alternative to fresh produce, especially when certain items are out of season. They're often cheaper, last longer, and retain most of their nutritional value. Use them in smoothies, soups, and stir fries. Frozen produce is typically picked and frozen at peak ripeness, which locks in nutrients and flavor. This makes them a great option for ensuring you always have healthy ingredients on hand. Buying frozen can also help reduce food waste, as you can use only what you need and keep the rest frozen. Additionally, many grocery stores offer bulk packages of frozen fruits and vegetables, providing even more savings. Incorporating frozen produce into your meal can add variety and convenience without compromising on health. Hack number 8. Shop with cash. Using cash instead of a credit or debit card can help stick to your budget. Bring only the amount of money you've allocated for groceries, which can prevent overspending and help you make more mindful purchasing decisions. Shopping with cash forces you to prioritize your purchases and avoid unnecessary items. It can also help you become more aware of your spending habits and make more deliberate choices. This method can be particularly useful if you tend to overspend and make impulsive purchases. By sticking to a cash-only approach, you can better manage your grocery budget and avoid the temptation to buy things you don't need. It might take a little adjustment, but it's an effective way to ensure you stay within your means. Hack number 9. Cook in batches and freeze meals. Cooking in large batches and freezing individual portions can save both time and money. Making meals like soups, stew, and casseroles and freezing them for later. This way you always have healthy, homemade meals ready to go. Batch cooking also allows you to buy ingredients in bulk, which can be cheaper and reduce the number of shopping trips you need to make. It also ensures you have healthy meals available on busy days when you might be tempted to order takeout. Use freezer-friendly containers to store your meals, and label them with the date and contents for easy organization. Batch cooking can also help you stick to your dietary goals by having nutritious options available, reducing the reliance on processed or convenience foods. Hack number 10. Grow your own herbs and vegetables. If you have the space, consider growing your own herbs and vegetables. Even a small windowsill garden can provide you with fresh herbs like basil, parsley, and mint. Growing your own produce can be a fun, cost-effective way to eat healthier. Starting a small garden can be very rewarding and doesn't require much investment. You can start with seeds or small plants, and as they grow, you'll have a fresh supply of herbs and vegetables right at your fingertips. This can significantly reduce your grocery bill over time. Herbs can enhance the flavor of your dishes without adding extra calories or sodium. Plus, gardening can be a relaxing and fulfilling hobby that adds greenery to your living space. Whether you have a backyard or just a sunny window, growing your own herbs and veggies is a great way to eat well on a budget. These grocery shopping hacks can help you save money and eat healthy without sacrificing quality or taste. Now, as promised, here is our favorite cheap and healthy meal that you can easily incorporate into your meal plan. Our favorite recipe is chickpea and vegetable stir fry. Check out the link in our description to take you to the video where you can make this delicious recipe. This stir fry is a perfect example of a healthy meal that's easy on the wallet. It's versatile, nutritious, and quick to prepare. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips and the recipe helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Share your favorite budget-friendly meals in the comments below. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.